All right, if you're getting your list of engineering colleges ready for the 2026 admissions, you'll want to pay close attention to this one. We're talking about Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology in Pollachi, and its TNEA code is 2706. So let's dive in and see what really makes this college tick. Okay, let's just jump straight to the headline fact, because this is a big one. This is the only autonomous engineering college in all of Tamil Nadu to have earned a NAAC A++ grade, not once, not twice, but 3 times in a row. You know, that kind of consistency is pretty rare, and it tells you a lot about the quality they've maintained over the years. So, you might be wondering, what does it take to get that A++? Well, it takes a number like this, 3.59. That's their cumulative grade point average out of a possible 4. This isn't just some abstract grade. It's a solid number that points to really, really high standards across the board, from academics to infrastructure. It's a fantastic score. So to give you the full picture of MCET, here's how we're going to break it down. We'll look at their legacy of trust, their accreditation and quality, the programs and admissions process, their research and industry connect, of course, placements and career outcomes, and finally, the campus support systems. Let's get started. All right, Section 1, a legacy of trust. Let's talk about the foundation of MCET. You see, this was their mission right from the start, to give young people a high-quality, skills-focused technical education that would prepare them for industry challenges anywhere in the world. The college was founded way back in 1998 in honor of the great industrialist and philanthropist Padma Bhushan awardee Dr. N. Mahalingam. That connection to the Sakti Group, which is a huge industrial name, is really at the core of this college's DNA.
And you can really see their journey in these milestones. They started in '98, and a big moment came in 2011 when they got autonomous status. From there, it's just been a steady climb. A NAAC A grade in 2013, then jumping to A++ in 2018, and then hitting that A++ again in 2023. It really shows you a pattern of constant improvement.
So just to be super clear, MCET is a private, self-financing, autonomous college. Now, that word autonomous is really important. What does it mean for you, the student? It means the college isn't stuck with an old syllabus. They can design and update their own courses to match what the industry actually needs right now. So while your degree will come from Anna University, the education you get is much more dynamic and current.
Moving on to Section 2, accreditation and quality. These are the official stamps of approval you should be looking for.
We've talked about this NAAC A++ grade, but let's just put it all in one place. It's their 3rd time getting it, with that amazing 3.59 CGPA. And here's something that should really give parents peace of mind. This accreditation is valid all the way until October 2030. That means the quality standards are locked in for well beyond a student's entire 4-year journey here. Now, besides the overall college rating, it's also about individual departments, right? And that's where NBA accreditation comes in. 7 of their main undergraduate programs are accredited under Tier 1. This is a really big deal because Tier 1 is a globally recognized seal of quality. You're looking at core branches like computer science, IT, ECE, EEE, mechanical. All of them have this stamp of approval, and it's valid for years to come. Okay, Section 3, Programs and Admissions. Let's see what courses are on offer for the 2026 batch. What I really like here is the mix. You got your strong traditional branches like computer science and IT, both with 180 seats. But then, look at the new age stuff they're offering. Things like AI and data science, a specialized CSE branch in AI and machine learning, another one in cybersecurity, and even electronics with a focus on VLSI design. This tells you they're not just resting on their laurels, they're looking at where the jobs of the future are. And when you add all of that up, you get a total of 1,080 AICTE-approved seats for undergrads. So it's a sizable intake, with a good number of opportunities across all those different fields. All right, so that's the academics. But what about life beyond the classroom? Let's get into Section 4, Research and Industry Connect. 39. That's the number of patents the college has been granted by the Indian Patent Office. Now, why does this matter to you? Because it means this isn't just a place where you learn from textbooks. Real innovation is happening here, and students get a chance to be part of that. That looks fantastic on a resume.
And it doesn't stop there. They've also completed 33 research projects funded by external bodies. And we're talking about the big names here, DST, DRDO, AICTE. When organizations like these are putting money into your college's research, you know it's serious, high-quality work. And this is where it all comes together for students.
They have official tie-ups, MOUs with huge companies. I'm talking TVS Motors, Capgemini Engineering, Renault Nissan, L&T Defense. This translates directly into better internships, live projects, and of course, jobs. Plus, they've got international partnerships with universities in places like Singapore and Canada, which is great for anyone thinking about studying abroad later.
Which leads us to the section everyone's waiting for. Section 5, Placements and Career Outcomes. Let's talk about the return on investment.
Let's start with the big number. The highest salary package offered here has been 27 lakhs per annum. That's a huge number, and it really shows the potential of what's possible. Of course, not everyone gets the highest package, so let's look at the full picture. For the recent batches, from 2019 to 2024, the salary packages have ranged all the way from 3 lakhs per year up to that top figure of 27 lakhs. This gives you a much more realistic idea of the kind of opportunities available across the board. So, who's doing the hiring? Well, it's a who's who of top companies. You've got the IT giants like TCS and Infosys, and also major core engineering firms like L&T, TVS Motors, and Renault Nissan. Seeing these kinds of names consistently recruiting from campus is a very, very good sign. Last but not least, let's look at Section 6, Campus Support Systems. Because academics are one thing, but as a parent, you also want to know your child is in a good and safe environment. Yes, the college does have on-campus hostels, and they are separate for boys and girls. The boys' hostel can house about 1,100 students, while the girls' hostel has space for around 600. It's also good to know that both hostels operate a vegetarian mess. So for students coming from out of town, there's a secure and convenient place to stay right on campus. So before we close, just a quick disclaimer. All the information we've shared today is based on what's available on the college's official website and government portals as of April 2026. It's always a good idea to double-check with the college for the very latest details.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.